demonstrate it. We're allowed to go public with it now. It was just declassified and came out of ITAR literally 2 weeks ago. So even the display is a little bit mocked up. This is the display we use to recruit developers out in San Diego to come work for a company. So I had to make a little modification to that. So this is really an exciting time for us. So the product that we have called SLAMS is used in a warfighter environment for identifying bad actors on the battlefield. It can be repurposed and used for border enforcement, detection of deportees who are trying to come back into the country. We can also use it, repurpose it for IVR or interactive voice response systems, a lot of different things to identify fraudsters or bad actors wherever they might be. The other product is not out of ITAR yet. I have to be careful what I share about it. It's also sold into the classified environment. I can show demonstrations of it to U.S. citizens only. If you'd like to see it, I can show it to you here on my laptop. Probably the best thing about either solution is that it handles background noise very, very well. Most of the voice biometrics have not worked very well in deployment because as soon as you get some noise, they just don't perform very well. Yesterday, we had a room full of people here. A couple of people saw some demos. With all the noise we had here, I didn't have one failure the whole time, and I was this far away from a bad microphone on a Dell computer. So it works very well. It works in push-to-talk radio situations, works on mobile devices, works on PCs, and like I always say, there's already 10 billion devices out there for voice biometric use. They're called telephones. So we don't even need special hardware for it to work. You just need a good algorithm for it. So that's what we do in Telesis. We have a new division we're launching in October. Can't talk a lot about that, but it'll be a cloud-based solution that's going to be very aggressive when it hits the marketplace. We'll tell you more about that in October with a new subsidiary name. So stay tuned on that one as well. So that's Telesis. If you want to know more, you can find me here. Next up is
Morphotrack Saffron. Well, thank you. Welcome. I'm sure some of you have seen our name before. We're Saffron Morpho or Morphotrack. And today what we have for you in the demo is we've got our video analysis for face. We have our analytical side, which was called MVI and Face on Motion. And then we also have Argus. We're also introducing and showing our contactless finger technology. This is where you can wave your fingerprint or your hand underneath the technology, capture it, match it, and show it contactlessly. And so we think for the border control market, the contactless technology that we're showing here is really where we're headed in this environment. We also have the iris identification contactless technology. So when you do have time and come by, we'd love to show you what we have. Thank you. And then next
up. Good evening, group. Well, actually, good afternoon, everybody. We represent Abernacle, and Abernacle is a cybersecurity organization. We have cybersecurity consulting, where we can come and do threat analysis, we can do code reviews, penetration testing. We also have educational arm, where we have the online portal that provides education services to your organization through a subscription. We also have the ability to bring instructors out to your location to talk to your developers, to talk to management, to help you understand where the threats are with the applications that you have. We have the second cybersecurity incubator in the U.S. that will be opening next month down in South Florida. We're on the campus of Nova Southeastern University, which is a cybersecurity center of excellence by NSA. The product that we're showing today is something called our ICV card. What we've done is, this is brand new to the industry. This is a biometrically activated smart card. The nice thing about this solution is this is a fully customizable solution that can incorporate the multiple modalities of biometrics, so fingerprint, facial, iris, and voice, as well as biographical and travel data. This can be holding e-passports, visas, as well as for some of the other verticals, healthcare, access control, as well as whatever other use case you may have. This is a customizable solution that we can work with you and then make it fit your needs. So if you'd like to learn more, please come by. We appreciate your time.
Good morning, my name is Larry Jashinsky. I represent 3M. We have a number of things here today. We have a card reader. We represent systems that will do border management, document identification and authentication, as well as mobile desktop and self-service systems. We've also added recently an automated license plate recognition system to help with border control and transportation. So what you see here is on the far end of camera we call it BioLive. It is an automatic facial recognition system that will take pictures and do identification at a distance. We are partnered with Credence and offering handheld fingerprint devices that will tie into our back-end systems, as well as the card readers that I just mentioned. If you have any questions, please stop by. Thank you.
Good morning, Harry Choi. I'm with Digital Signal Corporation. It's the first time for us joining the BORDERPOL event. It's great to be here. Our core technology is a 3D LiDAR long-range, non-cooperative surveillance. So from our sensor system to 15 to 30 meters out or 50 feet to 100 feet out, we can pick out a face in about a second using our light wave LiDAR technology, unique technology. There's nobody else out there that can do it today. We can match it against a person's of interest watch list and give alert notification to individuals. We actually have brought our vehicular unit, the SUVs parked outside. We can show you the live demo of it on our iPad, or we can walk you out and show you the unit built into our system that is scanning the street right now. So that's why our core technology. The other technology that we have is really sort of prep work to maximize our matching capability. We can also provide services, software to our clients to really get your biographical data set, millions of records of images, biographical information, clean that up, enhance the images, provide you fraudulent activity scoring reports to help out with the investigation and fraudulent cases review as well. So that's our technology, the other technology that we have as well. Great to be here. Love to talk to you if you have any further interest with us.
Neil Messina from SRI International. We're here to talk to you and display some of our iris biometric identity authentication solutions, both for land borders and for airport security. We have everything from mobile applications where the iris capability is embedded into a mobile tablet, to a very high throughput portal, which can be used for pedestrian crossings at land borders. Our features for iris collection and matching include standoff and on the move. We're one of the only companies that can do both simultaneously, collect at standoff and also with the person on the move. Our high throughput portal can do 20 to 30 people per minute and properly identify them. We'll be next month participating with CBP at the Otay Mesa land border experiment for biometrics with one of our high throughput portals, and very much look forward to the results of that biometric experiment that CBP will be conducting at Otay Mesa. We also provide solutions for the insider threat at airports. We know, we've heard this morning that the insider threat has become more prevalent in the US, where you have to assure employee identity for access control to secure areas in the airport, and also the ability to do random checks of employees at airports. Our solutions are geared for doing that. So when you have the opportunity, please come by. We'd love to talk to you about it and demonstrate a few of our products which are here today. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tom J. I represent SIGPA. For those that don't know SIGPA, you deal with our company every day. If you have currency in your pocket, our traditional core business since 1927, and we are a third-generation family-run business, has been making security inks for currency, passports, and other types of travel documents. What we're here today is showing our relatively new border control system, where we are going to be taking the admission stamp process out of the manual chunking stamp into a personalized digital system, where we will read the e-chip, the MRZ, and take that information, run it along with your database, and output a stamp that, if you see up here on the top right, we will personalize the name of the person. Once it's been authenticated by the travel document, it will put the entry date, the exit date, the visa type, as well as the passport number and algorithmic string of numbers that can be validated remotely if someone doesn't have immediate access to the system. We are locally located in Springfield, Virginia, and I invite any and everybody to come and visit us. Thank you very much.